So what do you think a guy does that owns all these cars? It's called washing cars. I can just spend every day of my life cleaning cars. I mean, oh my gosh. The addiction, the car addiction. Maybe I should start a car addiction school. Let me share with you how you become a car addict and get to be a slave to your own vehicles. But you know, I like taking care of my vehicles, so that's part of the joy. And man, if you ain't into that, then don't be buying all these damn cars and trucks. Something I use in my cars is this McGuire's hybrid ceramic wax, which you just spray this stuff on after you wash the car. And if you have a decent wax job on it, you just hose it off, or you wipe it down and kind of put the wax on it. So it's pretty cool. Does it last that long? I don't think it does. Does it give you a little peace of mind? Yeah. Now, but you know, it's not bad stuff. But I don't think any wax really lasts that long once you get out in this environment. I got trees, I got birds, I got all this crap going around my place. So at the end of the day, most of these waxes in my eyes don't really do that great a job, really. I mean, you got to do the PP, you know, film in your cars. And for me, I just sell my cars too often to be spending $3,000 a car just for the next guy to enjoy what I did, so I don't do it. And today's paints hold up well, but if you want pristine looking cars, then get the PP products on your cars. So you just take it and hose off the car and wash down the drain. See your money go away. See here, kind of just wet it down. I mean, you're better off really wiping the car down with it on it. But that's like this borderline like wiping down wax. So this actually does here. It's okay. You know, some people's theory is you don't want beads. You don't want your paint to bead up. Some people be like, wait, what? Well, your paint didn't bead up and it rains and dirt's on it. How are you gonna get those, you know, watermarks in your paint? It's just a sheen, right? Realistically, that's the better answer. You just want your paint to be like a sheet of water with no bubbles in it, and then you wouldn't get all these etching into your paint. So there you go. See, she's beating up a little bit more now. Not bad, actually. Kind of interesting. She's kind of coming to life now as I kind of hose her down a little bit more. Let's see here. See if I get the roof. Now, you don't want to do the windshield, even though it runs off of it. Starts to play out. Yeah, you know, pretty cool. So she's actually beating up more. Yeah, it's actually hosed her off a bit more. Kind of coming to life. Not too shabby. Right now, so I haven't done this side of the car, so look. Let's do the before and after look. Alright? See, she beads up. See, she comes to life, and so I kind of do the whole other side of the car here. Never do this in the sun. That stuff will etch into your paint. So, that's one thing I would not do. Would not spray this product out and let it kind of get into the, you know, a sunny day, hot. No way. See that? Look at that. Kind of coming to life. You kind of get it off. Right up there, huh? Not too shabby. Here's my truck is sitting outside, and I cleaned this thing out just a few nights ago. And same old story, poop birds everywhere. Birds. They just like to eat and poop. Sounds like human beings, doesn't it? Just incredible. Trash my cars. All I do. One day I'll be like Jay Leno and have this massive garage, shop, warehouse where I can just park all my cars inside instead of outside. Yeah, well, as you know, it's all about how much money you make. So, I ain't that stature. Yeah, I wish. Never know. Let's see that. Nothing worse than for tomorrow. All right, fancy dancer, Dancy 80-volt blower. So she does.